Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
My name's Ashley.
I'm Siobhan.
And we own Flowers by Siobhan in Manchester. If you haven't already and you'd like to become part of the Flowers by Siobhan family, hit that subscribe button, press that bell, and you'll get all the notifications on our upcoming videos. Today you're going to see me putting the finishing touches to a classic wreath. And if you hit that bell button, you'll get the notifications on Siobhan this week, prepping a wedding. Little hacks, tips and tricks on how to do a wedding. Thanks a lot everyone! And we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
So welcome back. I've just finished all my orders and put everything into buckets. So just ready now to grab a brew time before I start on our Shamrock. So just have a quick look. There are hand ties and all our flowers are ready now. Put away in water. Are you having a meltdown? What's to do?
Today I asked Daddy that can I show you some macaroni and my ninja skills.
Some ninja skills. Come on then, show me.
Shows your ninja skills, Pierce. Hiya!
Ooh, that's a good one.
Go on, shows your ninja skills, Cora. Shows your ninja skills. Hiya!
Oh.
Wow! Whoa! Some ninja skills.
Again. Wow.
And do your ninja pose.
Cora, go back.
Do your ninja pose and floss it out. So today I've been making a classic wreath. Normally I do this in my shop, but I've come to Siobhan's shop to do this today. My shop closes a little bit earlier. So basically what I've done is I've took the wreath, filled it with foliage, and you start around with the edges, and then you do the centre, and then you build up the foliage in the middle. Then you add your flowers to it. Make sure you don't put too many flowers together. Leave room for the butterflies, as Siobhan's always told me. And what I'm going to show you now is just adding the last few bits. So we're snipping the roses. As you can see, I've snipped it on a slight angle, so it gives it a big surface area, so it takes more water. Now I'm adding this into my spaces. Now I'm going to fill the gaps, because what we don't like to see is the oasis foam. Every good florist should hide their workings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some asparagus fern, which is one of my favourites, and I'm going to fill in the gaps. And voila, a lovely classic pink and lilac wreath.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, so that was a long day over. Wednesday, hump day, greatest day of the week. That means you're nearly at the weekend. Yay! And what we're going to do now is, we're going to have loads of fun now. We're going to take the kids swimming. Pierce is doing great with his swimming. You no longer have armbands on anymore, do you, Pierce? He hates his armbands. Cora's doing great as well. Whoa! That's a sight. That's a sight we never see in Manchester. The sun's out. Unbelievable. Yeah, like I said, we're going to go swimming, and then as we do every Wednesday, we're going to have a chippy tea. Yay! Hi everyone. Thanks everyone for watching our channel today. If you want to, but only if you want to, click that subscribe button. Hit that bell, you'll get a notification on our upcoming videos. And what do you want to say, Pierce?
Nothing.
Thanks everyone, have a great night, bye!